Dun 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 dun. My dog won't stop. My dog won't shut up. Hello everybody. Just get my job. And I made this because I was bored. I made it with paper. Oh my god. And a paper bag. You can see, and of course, brandy straws. I don't know, it has like some weird creature, like buttons right there. Like an eyeball right there, where if you can see through. Right here, like the battery. Probably a robot, because I tried to make that, but I didn't have the stuff to make it. It's really cool. And yeah, the thing that I like about this is that behind here, there's a little thing where you can put your stuff in. I put my keys I have like a chest where I put stuff that I find on the floor. And before you say anything, I will make a video of that later, but I don't know when. Let me just go shut up my dog. Sorry about that. I forgot what we're on. I have key, but before you say anything, I will make a video about my treasure chest if this video gets 20 likes. Right, and comment down below if you guys want to see a tutorial, or if you can, or you can just know how to make it right now, cause just by telling on it. Yeah, it's a good place like to keep your money and stuff, so no one can steal it. Yeah, it's awesome. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Peace. What is this? Look at the little fishy.